Hi guys, welcome friends. Today we are going to the YouTube channel. Well, today we are here at the ranch rock circuit, already preparing for the Churchman tea. Today we have the qualification for tomorrow, and here we already have my father, who I warming everything up. What is bike today? I will run with the standard on, guys, because that's why I will conserve my chance for tomorrow. So we will see tomorrow who it. Because we have to focus on today. The objective is to qualify because it's the in run with the standard bike, and well, what most likely we will do it. We will do it will as soon well now. So now, but the objective is not to give it our all today, but tomorrow we will save a plus, and soon my friend will soon who will be comedy. Oh guys, makes it as hour there with the made the change. I don't know what, and he is going to narrate everything handsome. I made the and true and logically, then we vanishes narrating at a machine. When he vanishes narrating everything handsome, I will say goodbye, and you will see what the final result is like. This is high, guys. We are really looking forward to the end. We had processing to China and 2000 like and 2000 greeting on, guys. We already have the bike. Here we are testing and bike at the lower and all correct. Now we are going to wait for until who has to be here soon, guys. As nothing, there is no desire. The standard bike you have to admit.